The other day I found a path that a family of wild boars had trampled down, and I decided to follow it. Somewhere in the reeds they usually hide. I know, because I both heard them and on one occasion encountered them. The whole family bolted when they discovered me. But now, as I sneak through the reeds into their private sphere, I realize that I'm trespassing. I stop and listen. And hear rustling and someone or something breathing. That's when I get scared and turn back. Wild boars are shy, but can attack if they feel cornered. Out on the other side, I think to myself, maybe it was just someone like me, a curious guy sneaking through the reeds from the other direction. Who knows?